Hey there, kids. It's DaFatAmerican with you once again, and I've been tagged, kinda, sorta, to show you what's in my fridge. Well, I'll do it like the last person, because I'll just do what I'll probably be eating this week. We have, he says sour cream, but really it's cottage cheese in there, and masala curry. There's some spaghetti leftovers, which I'll probably have. My wife likes the Activia yogurts. And let's move on. Okay, and what we got here is Mori New Silken Tofu Extra Firm. You can fry this up, you can cook it in any number of ways, and it's great because it sits on your shelf. You don't have to refrigerate this stuff. It comes in a cardboard box. It's kind of foil lined on the inside, but it keeps forever, and you know, it's good stuff. And let's see, we have some organic soba, Asian pasta, and I have some organic rigatoni, which I'll make at some point. I have a chest freezer, and this is a really good investment because it holds a lot of food, and you can it doesn't cost a lot to operate. But what we have in here is grass-fed, all-natural beef, organic pasture butter, and oh, this is one of my favorites. I'll definitely be having this. Is Korean short rib, and you just grill it up, and it's just really good stuff. And it's you know, high protein, low calorie, or as low as beef gets, I guess. And passion fruit punch sherbet. We have some mixed mushrooms, which will go with the tofu really well. Some shiitake mushrooms, which will go with the tofu really well again. And that's about it as far as what I'm going to eat this week. And I almost forgot, eggs. We eat some eggs around here because we got 6 chickens, so we get our own organic farm-raised eggs. Hyper, uber organic, whatever you want to say. But, you know, straight from the chicken's ass to your mouth. That's about it. And pretty soon, we'll be having us some duck eggs as soon as he grows up a little more. Kitties don't give us eggs.